So once you remove the cross on the bottom side, you have to remove this. First, the steering wheel. Use a T30 Torx, undo it, just take it out, straight out. Then you have to remove this plastic. It has 4 bolts here, Torx. Also undo this. You can undo the Tejo, or no. Then you have this lock. Remove the bolts also, and one on the center. I don't know if you can see it. Also remove that, and then the steering wheel rack should just go out. Okay, let's do this. So as you can see, there is a lot of work for this. I have to remove the entire interior dash. So this will also be a video on removing the dash. This removes just like this. Oops. Oh, just pull it up. It's easier with both hands. I will do it. Just put the screwdriver underneath and pull it out like this. Okay. Here you have bolt inside, here on the other side. This you have to remove the drawer. Here you see here is a little brake for the drawer. You have to press it so the drawer can come out. You see, the drawer has these stops, and you have to press on the black plastic here a little so you can take out the drawer. When you take out the drawer, you will be able to take this over everything. Before that, just take it out the buttons for AC, ventilation and everything. Clock you remove with Torx. Just undo them. Remove all the bolts on the bottom side, on left, on right. Okay, now let's undo these bolts and see what happens. So here it is. You undo this bolt and just pull it up, the entire center console, and take it out. Remove. Now we can remove the speakers and everything. See, this is the entire center console dash out. Now you can replace your speakers. You have 2 bolts here, and here, and one here, 10mm, and then you can put it. You just put it like this. You don't have to take out the entire one. Okay, now I will show you how to repair the cross on the steering wheel rack.